I'm taking a walk. Bye.
Hello. I wanted to show you the fountain here. They fixed this fountain up. It used to be this horrible old brick monstrosity. But they fixed it up pretty cool. And now we'll walk down O'Shaughnessy Street. O'Shaughnessy Street got a bit of a makeover as well. Now it's a hipster cafe, non-smoking, pets allowed kind of cool place to hang out. At least that's what they want it to be. It's where the elite meet and gentrification begins. Nobody likes me here. I'm like the town drunk, except I don't drink. I'm kidding. I don't know anybody here. Bye. How you going? Just in Sunbury in the parking lot. And I'm just curious why you guys play the old-fashioned music in the parking lot outside of Woolies.
Well, it's really the local station, but we deter the kids as well to hang out, that's all.
So if you play the older songs, like 80s songs, or?
Oh, we don't actually, how do you say, we don't pick the songs, it just comes through the local radio station.
Right.
Yeah.
And they just naturally hate it.
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
So they don't hang around because it's too loud and old-fashioned and annoying.
Oh, they do sometimes, but yeah, they seem to move on quite quickly.
All right, that's cool.
All right.
What was your name?
Mark.
Mark, nice to meet you.
Thanks.
Sonny. Thanks for that. There you go. That's where they play the music at the parking lots. So all the wild teenagers don't hang out and cause a fuss. There's a train. Bye. Best way to get across a parking lot without getting hit or honked at is up and over. Yay. I remember some 17 odd years ago, this was just a dirt lot. That's right. And they built this here parking lot and those there cinemas. If you ask me, the cinema needs a facelift. I don't know why I'm talking like that. That's what I assume an old timer sounds like when he's telling a story. Well, back in odd 6, there's horses and buggies here. You used to go to the feed store. They turned that into some damn hipster cafe. I don't know. I have no actual facts on that. And here's the train station. I catch that every day. Various gas-powered engine trains and electric trains come through here. I have no idea how old the train station is, but I imagine it's pretty old. Bye. Made it to town. Just chilling out and people watching now. That was a fun adventure. Bye.